Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music lab for another banger, people. And you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, today we're there with a new artist to the channel, you know what I'm saying? But before we even get into that, guys, I don't know, I have to check with you, check in with my family, man. You know, you gotta check in with the gang. How y'all doing today, man? Y'all been taking care of yourself? Y'all been staying prayed up? Have you been staying on your goal and your purpose? Don't lie, no. Let me know in that comment section. Have you been drinking your water? Have you been staying prayed up? Have you been taking steps to get closer to your goals? Have you been staying on your purpose? I hope so, guys. I hope y'all been staying on your purpose and be, you know, taking steps to get closer to your dreams and goals. Well, yeah, man, guys, you don't know, you know. Let's see what we are dealing with today. We're back in the music club and today we got a banger. Yeah, man, we got a banger. Well, I think it's a banger. Because I'm going to say a banger and I haven't heard it yet. But yeah, man. This one was requested by one of our family member. Yeah, man, they've been requesting this one. Supposedly it's a dope track. We're going to check it out and see what I'll go on today. This one was actually requested by Christian RZ. What? RZ98. Okay. So yeah, man, this was requested by Christian RZ98. And we're gonna see what I'll go on today, see if it's a banger. Yeah, man, he's been requesting this one. I will definitely go check it out. You don't know. Yeah, man, people, and you don't know, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, you know what I'm saying, so you don't miss out on any of the videos, any of the excitement, any of the vibes. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of the vibes over here. So, you know, over here, so lit, man, I be energy over here, so the gang is active. We all active. We be chopping it up in the comment section. You know, we'll be reacting to new videos every day. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely don't want to miss out on that, guys. So definitely go ahead and drop your request. Hit that like and subscribe button. And you don't know, if you drop a request and your request is shown, you will get your shout out. You will see your name on screen. You will see your comments, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, today we are dealing with Tafari. You see me, Bompton Law. I'm not too familiar with Tafari. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully he's a dope artist. I'm not sure where he's from. Let me know in the comment section. Where is Tafari from? Is he a Trinidad artist? What country is he from? You know what I'm saying? How is his music to y'all? Do y'all like his music and what to react next? And I'll definitely get it done. You don't know. But yeah, man, tell you what, check out Tafari, Bompton Law. We're not gonna hold up the vibes much longer. I hope he does his thing. You know what I'm saying? I hope he's lit. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna hold up the vibes much longer. We'll jump right into it. This is Tafari, Bompton Law. Let's get it.
KJ Production.
Yeah. KJ Production. Hear me no mean dynasty. But badness man will leave no feel like that. My friend them evil quick be make your eye. I wrestle with boy we no name right back. Man revolt the Mac in them pussy fly back.
Okay.
Fuck girl boss gun. So we do it every day down a Bompton. Never fidget, never shake it when it's time for function. If I bad day shooting with them funny junction.
Yeah, man, I like this one. So, okay, so Bompton is where he's from. And he's talking about Bompton Law. You know what I'm saying? Say, yo, girl, boss gun. That's how we do every day in a Bompton. Okay, so Bompton, you come from? The guy, let me know, where is Bompton? Is that in Trinidad? Is that in St. Kitts, Guyana, Antigua? Where is Bompton? Let me know, guys. I know guys got some serious Trinidad gold. So most likely Trinidad didn't come from, but that gold, yo, them chain is serious, my boy.
Because all of my dog, them rich, check the boss income. Pull up in the big block, G5 tint down, top side, hilltop, dog, we all up the ground. They them off with their dog. We no left them critical. Make them solar some couple like it's paracetamol. From this my rival, then we take it personal. Me da down to your dog and your outside, y'all play man.
Once you murder your dog and your outside girl. And that's how go on.
Nicholas, so was gone ready for bus. Kill me, kill boy, we no quarrel and cuss. And all who push up, we are left them with the dust. Send sun feed them whole ends get crushed.
All who push up, we are left them with the dust. I want to you, man, you don't know. Yeah, man.
Fuck girl, boss gun. So
bro, how many of y'all in this damn car? Hold the fuck up. Y'all got lap up like back a long time. Lap up like back the days that I go on.
Left them with the dust. Send sun feed them whole ends
1,
get
2,
crushed.
3.
Fuck girl, boss gun. So we do it every day.
2 more than 5 y'all like. Yeah, pack up like that like blood clean, mackerel, tina and sardine. Easy no man.
When it's time for function. If a broad day shooting, but they funny junction. Rifle fully custom, all of my dog, them rich, check the boss income. Pull up in the big black Jeep.
All of my dog them rich, check your boss income. I'm here, man, fully custom.
5 tint down, top side, hilltop. Dog, we all up the ground. Click out with the calico, carry it anywhere we go. We know hide it at a show, in a killing we up.
Look how with the calico, carry anywhere we go. You know, hide it a show. I'm to your brawling badness.
Bro, for we badness expensive, Jalano them no. Biggie outside with the big four.
Oh, yes, sir. For your badness expensive, Jalano no. So he's beefing with Jalano people. Let me know in that comment section. Jalano, we actually did a song with Jalano a few years back. You know what I'm saying? Jalano, yeah, and I actually enjoyed his music. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what I'm going. Yeah, man, Jalano, war them want. Yeah, man, Jalano, war them want. That was pretty good. So you beefing with Jalano, bro? Let me know, people. Let me beef with Jalano and this and Tafari and beef. Let me know in the comment section and where they're from and everything. You know, give me some update. Me know how I go on.
Fall, come and run in your place. I know knocking on a door. DJ go spit up on the boy neck and chest ball. Like a boss was a pipe, but me see him blood up all. They take me bad this lightly, we evil to the core. Yeah. Fuck gal boss good, so we do it every day. Don't have Bompton.
Fuck gal boss good, so we do it every day. Don't have Bompton. Easy.
Shit never shake it when it's time for function. If a broad day shooting, but they funny junction.
Never shake you on a time for function. I'm to you. Easy now, man.
Rifle fully custom, all of my dog them rich. Check the boss income. Pull up in a big black G5 tint down. Tough
say rifle custom. Rifle fully custom. Chessy boss income. Hey, did y'all know y'all get actually? I'm finding this. You know, you actually get more time when you have a custom weapon than when you buy it factory. Yeah, man. That's why it's always best to keep it, to keep your gun or whatever. Better to keep it stock, because when you see and you make modifications, you know, to make the weapon more deadlier. You see me, when you actually do use it, then feel it. You know, you gonna get more time and you gonna. Yeah, and it's easier to paint the narrative as if you're looking for trouble. You see me? Yeah, man, because I forgot what case I was watching. I was like, yo, they were asking, why you gotta custom this and custom that? And why do you have a rifle be your arms on them thing, you know? When you customize a rifle, yeah, police and prosecutor want always try to make it seem like, yo, you trying to make it more deadly than what it is and all type of stuff, and you trying to make, yeah? Yeah, man, boy. So it's always better to keep your things stuck. So all them chip and laser sight and angle, all them enhancement when you do actually, you know, dash away somebody, yeah, man, you gotta get dash away even worse, because they go and try you even harder and try to make you sentence him more harsher. It's crazy. And all these stuff are legal. All the modifications are legal. Yet still, if you put it on your weapon and you do get shot, you gonna get, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna try you harsher. That's crazy. Especially if you're a black man. You already know what time it is.
Fuck girl boss gun, so we do it every day. Don't have Bompton, never fidget, never shake it when it's time for function. If a broad day shooting, but that funny junction.
Yeah, I mean, for broad day shoot on the junction, man. I'm tell you, leave yourself. Tafari, dope track, man. Kind of short, but dope track. I actually enjoyed that one. That was pretty cool. Yeah, man, Tafari. And was that a Jalano disc, guys? Let me know, you know. Let me know in that comment section. What that a Jalano disc come here? I'll say, yo, well, I think them few are expensive. Jalano, you don't know about that. Alright, go on. Yeah, man. So let me know. I might get it wrong. I might have heard wrong. So let me know in the comment section, guys. I don't know what time it is. That was Tafari, Bompton Law. I enjoyed that one, guys. Let me know what you think about that. Did you enjoy that one? And let me know what your favorite part in the comment section. Go ahead, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part was. The lyrics, the music, the gal, whatever it is. Let me know what's your favorite part so we can go ahead and chop it up. Let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country name and flags and all that. You're going to get your shout out. Also, yeah, man, give me some information on Tafari, man. What I go on, my beef with Jalano. What I go on for Jalano. I mean, I hear a new tune from Jalano. Let me know on the react to next time. I get it done, dog. Vibes over here, so energy over here. So I like what I go on the music right now. You see me? So I just want to keep on listening to good music and discovering new good music. So, yeah, man, guys, I appreciate y'all support and everything. Keep dropping the likes, keep subscribing. You don't know. And your boy Jambisco, we taking it to top, coming to take over, man. We this close. We're almost at 2K, guys. Go for this video at 50 likes. So go ahead, make that happen. We're going strong over here. The family lit. Yeah, man, I just enjoy doing this, and I enjoy. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the video. So we're gonna keep grinding, keep going. You don't know, the hustle don't stop. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.